Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to design a really stylish and modern reception wall in SketchUp. This one has a smooth curves, layered details, and a professional vibe, and perfect for offices or lobbies. So let's get started. First, I mark 400 millimeters from side, then 1500 millimeters, then another 1500 millimeters. From the bottom, I go up 1000 millimeters, then 800 millimeters, then 1300 millimeters, and another 1300. Now I'll use the line tool to draw a vertical line here. This references line really help keep everything accurate. Next, from this side, I mark 400 millimeters and then 700. I'll connect the points and remove extra lines. Now I'll select these lines together and convert them into a polyline arc corners. Now I type 400 millimeters and OK. And just like that, the sharp corners turn into a beautiful rounded edge. It's super easy and you can adjust the curve size if you like. You can adjust every curve. Now from the top of the wall I mark 1800 and then 1700 millimeters, and from the side I measure 700, then 800, and connect the points again with line tools. Select extra lines and I select these lines and I want to connect them to polyline arc corners. Now I type 300 and press OK. $450 millimeters. Then make a copy at 200 millimeters. From another section, I mark 300 millimeters. Then from the bottom, 1200, then 700 and 1300 and 200. Now I connect the points with line tools. Erase extra lines. Now I select these lines and now both sides and convert them and it's okay. Next with 400 and okay. It's better. From these lines, I create an offset. Then I push or pull the surfaces, some inward, some outward, to create variation in depth. I'll do the same on the other side of the wall, so the whole things feel balanced. Finally, let's add some materials. I'm using a combination of modern professional colors that gives the reception area a clean and elegant look. Of course, you can choose any color palette you like depending on the mood of your project. And that's it. Our reception wall is done. I love the smooth curves and lighted details, modern, simple, and perfect for offices or lobbies. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe for more SketchUp ideas, and tell me in the comments what I should design next. Thanks for watching. See you soon.